Okay, so Airborne over Europe is similar to the one that I have for the first version of Last 100 Yards. Again, I have them color coded, and black is for the Germans, blue is for the Americans, and yellow is for your game pieces. Now, this particular one has an extra die, which I cut out a little bit extra space on these two for those two dies for the 6-sided die, and we also have the 10-sided dies here. All the game pieces can pop out, and all of your trays have little handles to make it easy to pull them in and out. Same way here. We have little handles in this tray right here also, and this one right here. And it does come with an open tray too. I like the one with the back. It makes it easier for me to handle and move everything around. But, you know, that's your option. Designed a little slot here for this unusually large initiative marker. So that can slide right in there. And in this particular tray, pull these out and use these. Let me get make it easy on myself. As a dice rolling tray for the game as you're playing. Again, color coded. I have this one color coded, just like the other one, but you can make them whatever color or all the same color, it doesn't matter. And all that goes back in. The lid goes on, and everything is set up for you to use quickly and efficiently when you go to play the game. So to check out the STL files available on my website, it's thenerdworkshop.com, and there's a link below. Check it out, and please do like and subscribe to the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.